Big Bad Bubble. Words by Adam Rubin. Pictures by Daniel Salmieri. You may not know this, but when a bubble pops, it doesn't just disappear. It reappears in La La Land, where the monsters live. For some reason, all the big scary monsters are terrified of Bubbles. Yerbert, what's the matter? Froofle, why are you running away? Wumpus, stop crying. Turns out it's all Mogo's fault. When he was little, a chewing gum bubble attacked his face. Since then, all he can talk about is how dangerous bubbles are. Bubbles are sneaky. You never hear them coming. Where there's one bubble, there are many bubbles. They travel in packs. Summer is the worst time for bubbles. That's when they go into a feeding frenzy. Don't listen to Mogo. He has no idea what he's talking about. I'll admit it's a bit surprising when a bubble suddenly appears out of nowhere, but that's a part of the deal when living in La La Land. On the plus side, donuts grow on trees and the rent is cheap. Hey look, here comes a bubble now. Yerbert, stop running around in circles. You have giant fangs. Froofle, climb down from that tree. Look at your claws. You have pointy claws. Wumpus, get out from under those covers. You're much too big for that bed anyhow. Bubbles kill thousands of monsters every year. No, they don't. Oh yeah, prove it. Look, here's a bubble. It's just a thin layer of soap and water wrapped around a ball of air. It's soft and delicate. It couldn't hurt a fly. You could pop it with a little finger. See? Yerbert, use your fangs. Froofle, use your claws. Wumpus, don't be scared. It's just a teeny tiny... Oh, wait, that is kind of a big one. He's a goner. Quiet, Mogo. Go on, Wumpus. You can do it. Tell Wumpus he can do it. Kaboom! See, Mogo doesn't know what he's talking about. There's no reason to be afraid. Enjoy your bubble gum, Yerbert. Have fun popping your bubble wrap, Froofle. Oh boy, that is a big bath full of bubbles, Wumpus. Tell Wumpus to save some water for the fish. Splash. Fine, maybe bubbles aren't so dangerous after all. Butterflies, on the other hand. And he's holding a book called The Truth About Butterflies.